Yes. Hello everyone. My name is Ashley. I'm based in Dubai, but a Ugandan. Mm. Nakomeo yesterday but one, but ekigendererwa kyange ekikulu, I came here as the CEO of Ashley Tours and Travel to come and support Spice Diana, who has been a friend of mine for 6 years, of which Spice abadde ajja mu Dubai most of the times. She's been working together with me. The first time I met her, I wasn't into tours. When I started my tours company, she was one of the first celebrities to ever come through for me. And she never supports or trusts anyone with all her travels mu Dubai. Era nze mbadde booking all the hotels, tickets and everything. Yeah. So nengamba ku luno nange nina okujja muwagire buterevu. Yes, I used to do so much nga nkyali mu promotions naye kati engeri gye ndi mu tours. I'm so much doing visa, tickets, hotel n'ebintu bya Dubai. Yes. Only Spice Diana going back to UAE. Yes. Wobanga otambula nnyo ate kino kibeerenga lesson to other people. Whenever you travel a lot, you get miles osobola okutambula nsi yonna even without paying. So I'm telling people babeere nga babookinga tickets every time nga bagenda mu nsi ez'enjawulo nga bakozesa Ashley Tours and Travel ejja batusaako wantu wonna wonna. It's tested and trusted. Naguze a full table of 6 people. Yeah, and also a friend of mine, Miss Uganda 2019, Oliver, aguze tickets are 500. Yes. Sisasanya akasente wabula I use money accordingly and how it's supposed to be used. So la kugamba abakyala bakozese sente bazisasanye wabula bazikozese nga wezina okuba I mean how it's supposed to be used, and advise women out there. This is our generation. It's not a generation of fighting for men or a generation of fighting for love or what, but it's a generation of working hard and showing us strength. But still, it's important to have love. Yes. Cool idea, but again, Bakadama, I would not say the word Bakadama. There is nothing like that. I just see them as very hardworking women, and I pray everything they are doing to be better for them. Everyone has a journey, and the journey could start from where they are, and they'll reach to the utmost, end. So bakodenyo, babenenga, they shouldn't trust people. Yeah, mpozi ogambe these things about sending money to men and what yeah, but they should work hard and they will reach where they want to be. With your love, no, let's change the topic. But I think the generation gye tuliko saawa zino, it's a 21st century, tulina okuba nga tukola nnyo, and we're looking forward to beautiful things, driving nice cars, having good life. Tulina okuba nga tubiteeka wali maaso, yeah, having good companies. Njagala nnyo okulaba abakyala kati mulaba just Dubai perception ya bakadama and everything, but there are beautiful women having very good companies in Dubai, women who are so much rich in Dubai, and they're doing extremely beautiful. Bakola mu companies zanjawulo ez'amaanyi. And another thing, abantu abagenda mu Dubai right now, I would really sensitize abantu bagendeyo nga bayina epapula. Now Dubai has reached a point where bagala abantu nga basomi, so that is, I would advise people to read so hard. Basome aka Uganda nakalabye. My take on that video would be so very different from the world opinion. I don't know, most of the time when we deal with people, we want to know the background where they come from, So I don't want to blame anyone because I'm a mother and I have a daughter. So nizo kwogera lero enkyanange kinsange, to my daughter. But I would think it's not a nice idea beating a fellow girl because of a man. But at the end of the day, they are still kids, so they really don't know the world we are in, Even the one beating, tachimanyi nti agenda tuka ekiseera nga abasajja balabulabi nga bayitako buyisi, So I don't blame the two parties, but I think the only bad thing they did is to put out on social media. Yeah, that's it. Twina offices zaffe zisangibwa ku Equatorial Mall level 3431 wano mu Uganda. And then in Dubai, Twina is the cool Al Qaeda building in Dubai. So get us on online. We have an Instagram page, Ashley Tours and Travel. Ashley Tours and Travel also on Facebook. And also you can get us on WhatsApp and all other social media. Yeah.